In this tutorial, we're going to learn about multiple assignment in Python. What is multiple assignment in Python? Multiple assignment is a powerful feature in Python that allows for the simultaneous assignment of multiple variables using a single line of code. With this technique, programmers can quickly and easily assign values to multiple variables at once, saving both time and effort. And here's an example code demonstrating the use of multiple assignment in Python. So in this code, we assign 10 to x, 20 to y, and 30 to z. If we print this, then the output will be. Stay tuned because after this video, we will dig deeper about this topic. Let's first look at standard assignment. We'll create a variable name and assign it a value of our name. Similarly, we'll create variables age and married, then assign them values of 21 and true respectively. We can then print the value of these variables using print statements. Now let's use multiple assignment to assign values to variables in just one line of code. We'll list all the variables separated by commas and set them equal to their respective values, also separated by commas. This would output the same results as the standard assignment. Easy, right? If all the variables need to be set to the same value, we can use a different syntax. This assigns all variables to the value 33 in just one line of code. That's it. Multiple assignment is a simple but powerful feature in Python that allows us to assign multiple variables in just one line of code.